functions. What are functions? Functions are special kind of relations. Functions are special kind of relations in which the first component are all different, in which the first components are all different. And not only that, not only different, but what else should it be? It covers all the elements of the set, right? And
Yes, sir.
it covers all the elements of the set. Now, what is this set called? We will come to the definition later. Okay. This is called the domain set actually. Okay. Domain set. We'll come to the definition a little later. But it must not only that all the first components must be different, but the second criteria is that it must cover all the elements of the domain set or the set for the time being. Okay. Let us see. Let me give you another problem where you have to identify which one is a relation and which one is a function. So here the problem is, let x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Determine whether or not determine whether or not each relation is a function. Each relation is a function. You have to tell me, okay, from x into x. From x into x. Fine. So first one, f is equal to 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 3, 2, and 4, 4. Next is g is equal to 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 1. Third one is h is equal to 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 4, and 4, 4. Okay. Now you have to tell me if each is a relation or a function. First one, tell me, is f a relation or a function? Or maybe neither also.
So how it could be neither?
I'll give I'll give you an example, but for the time being, tell me whether it is a relation or a function.
Mm, I think it's a relation.
It's a relation.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Uh, so some items are repeated now.
Exactly. If you see, this first component here is 2, and this first component here is 2. So
Yes, sir.
f is a relation and not a function, and not a function, as the first component as the first component in the ordered pairs 2, 3 and 2, 1 are same, right?
Yes, sir.
Or let's say are equal. More technical word is equal. Are equal. Okay. Next one. Can you tell me next one whether it is a relation or function? 3 1 4 2 1 1.
3, 1, 4, 2. It's also a relation, I think.
Why?
1 and 1.
1 1. So
1
do
and
what?
1.
1 and 1 is quite possible. That's okay. Why is it not a function? Why is it a relation? It is a relation because see it does not cover all the elements of the set. What is the first component here? 1, 4, 2. But where is 2? Does it cover all the elements of x? Does
No.
the first component cover all the elements of x?
No, sir.
Only 2 is missing, right? In the first component, therefore it cannot be a function. So G is a relation and not a function. As the first component, as the first component, as the ordered pair, as the ordered pair with the first component, 2 is missing, right?
Yes, sir.
Last one. Tell me whether this is a function H or a relation.
Mhm. It could be a function.
If a
Sir,
function,
it
why
is
a function? Tell me what?
it's also a relation, I think.
Okay, why?
Uh, First of all, the first component of the ordered pairs are not equal. It's not equal.
And not equal, then how? Then it may be a function
And
also.
not equal, then it is a function. And
But why are you saying
ordered pairs all
relation?
are.
What is the reason you think it is a relation?
It's a function, sir.
It's a function, exactly. H is a
Yes, sir.
function.
Yes, sir.
H is a function. Okay.
Because the ordered pairs of first
Yes.
components all are present, and
If I give you number 5,
none of the first components are repeating.
repeated. If I give you number 5 as say, uh, let's say 5 is equal to 2 1 4 3 3 2 1 1. Let's say at 1 1, say 1 5. Now, can you tell me whether 5 is a relation or a function?
1 5.
Is 5 there in this set?
No, sir.
It is not there, but 5 is here. And 5,
Exactly, sir.
therefore 5, but 5 is not in the set. That means this ordered pair has come out of the blues, right? Therefore, this is neither,
Yes, sir.
therefore, phi is neither a relation nor a function. Understood?
Yes, sir.
That is what you need
Could
to
it be
understand.
both for some cases?
Yes,
Could it
it
be
is.
both for some
Yes,
cases?
all functions are relations. All
Yes.
functions are relations. but all relations are not functions. Clear with this? You understood what
Yes.
I'm trying to say? All functions
sir.
are relations, but all relations are not functions. Clear? Now we'll do something
Yes,
called
sir.
as a mapping. Okay, to understand functions better, we will have to understand a little bit of mapping, how to map. What do you mean by domain set? What do you mean by codomain set? Okay. Look at the same question. Let me erase number 4. 4 has no significance at all. Look at this number 1. See, I draw 2 ovals here. Okay. I draw 2 ovals here. Okay. And what I do is the first, you see the set X here, right? This set
Yes, sir.
X, this is the set X. So set X has how many elements? 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And this set is another set. Let us call this set Y. Okay. Now this set, now see what it maps to. See 2, this element 2 in the set X, right? You see this ordered pair 2, 3. Do you see this ordered
Yes,
pair
sir.
2, 3? So 2 is mapped to 3 on this, right? Understood?
Yes, yes,
You
sir.
see the next ordered pair 1, 4. So
1, 4.
you have a 4. So 4 is mapped to this.
Then 1,
And what is the relation
1.
between these two elements of the set? F. F is the relation. Understood? 2 is mapped to
Okay, sir.
1. Let's say 1 is here. So 2 is mapped to 1. Again by the relation F. Okay. Next is 3, 2. Let's give a 2 here. 3 is mapped to 2. Okay. And you have finally 4, 4. So 4 is mapped to 4 by the relation F. So what do you see here? What do you see here? This element 2 has 2 images. Understood? What do you mean by image? You see 2 has 2 images,
Yes, sir.
isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is called, these are called for a function. These are called, if it is not a function, but I will show you in the case of a function. But what you see here, the biggest thing that you notice here is that 2 has 2 images, right? 2 has 2
Yes, sir.
corresponding elements. For the element 2 in X, you have 2 corresponding elements in Y, right? Related. Therefore,
Mm.
this is not a function. Understood?
Yes,
Let us
sir.
try to draw the map for number 2. You have X and say you have Y. You have element 1, 2, 3, 4 because X has a set 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Now what? You have 3, 1 as your first ordered pair, right? So 3 maps onto 1, right? By the relation G, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
4, 2, 4 moves on to 2. 4 has the image 2 by the relation G.
Then 1.
And 1,
Then
1,
1 to 1.
it has the relation G. What do you see in this?
2,
You see that
2 is
2,
left
2,
alone.
2 is left alone here. That means it cannot be a function. So not a function. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Let's see the third one. Let us try to map the third one. You have your X and you have your Y and you have the elements 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And what is H here? 2 1. So you have a 1 here. So 2 1, right? This is by the relation H. Next ordered pair is 3 4. So you have a 4 here, 3 4 by the relation H. Next is 1 4. Again 1 goes on to 4 by the relation H. Next 4 4. So what do you see here in this? That all the elements are covered here,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Every element
Yes, sir.
has every element in X there is a corresponding element in Y, right? Therefore we say
Yes, sir.
it's the function. That means H is a function. Here F is not a function. Here G is not a function. But here H is a function. Understood? So what do you see? We come to a
Sir.
technical definition of functions.
Yes,
See
sir.
what happens that in case of a function, if you have two sets A and B, just as I have drawn above, okay, if each element in this set, for each element in this set, if you have an element in this set, understood, that means all the elements of this set must be covered. None of the elements should remain aloof. Understood? Each element in this set should have a corresponding element in B. Then we say it is a function.
Yes, sir.
Understood? So this set A is
Yes, sir.
called the domain set. This set A is called the domain set, sometimes denoted by DOM, DOM. And this set is called
Yeah.
as the codomain set.
Codomain. Codom.
This is denoted by codom. Okay. So
Yes,
for
sir.
each element, tell me.
Are these terms sometimes injective, surjective, bijective? I think.
Yes, yes, you have done all this.
No, I just remember I have done beginning of the session. I just started with this.
Started with who?
My brother.
Okay, okay. Your brother does what?
Uh, he's in college,
College
physics
doing what?
honors.
Physics honors. Okay. So each element of X, when it is mapped from domain set to the codomain set. So remember, each element has to be mapped here. Each element of A has to be covered. Understood? Each element of
Yes,
this
sir.
may not be covered. Each element of B may not be covered, but each element of X has to be covered. Is it clear what I mean?
Yes, sir.
So according to the technical definition, a function is a mapping. Function is a mapping from the set A to the set B, where each element, each distinct element, or each element, not distinct, each element X belongs to A has a distinct image. Understood? Has a distinct image Fx in B. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So this kind of a relation, since we know function to be a relation, a function from A to B is denoted by f A to B. Clear? Where A is called the domain, where A is called the domain set, and B is called the codomain set. Clear with this definition?
Yes, sir.
So let us do another example. Problem. Or let's say example, not a problem. This is an example. Example. Let A is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, fine. And if A to B be a mapping or a function, let's say a function. Let f A to B be a function defined by, let's say B. I define the set B also. Let's say B is a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are two sets A and B, and if A to B is a function defined by fx is equal to x square, right? Question is, write down the domain set, the codomain set, the domain set, the codomain set. Next is your range set. Okay, you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down the domain set, the codomain set, and the range set. Okay, also show that the range set is a subset of the codomain set. Okay, very, very simple problem. Fine. So let's see how it works. Let us write. Let A is equal to, given A is equal to, not let, given A is equal to -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can you tell me which one is the domain set? Which one is the domain set?
A.
Devanjan.
A.
A.
A,
So
sir.
yes, domain set, or simply domain also we say. Domain set is equal to A. Okay. Next, codomain set. Codomain set. What is the codomain set?
B.
B. Now F A to B, what is this set? Can you tell me? Uh, Before that, let me just find out the fx for various values of x. Right. So now x is taking
Yes,
values
sir.
from which set? So I must write here x belongs to A. Okay. Fx is equal to x square where x belongs to A. Now x is taking values from A. So for x is equal to, what are the elements of A? -1 first.
Minus
So for
1.
x is equal to -1, what is fx? Fx is equal to -1 square, right? Because fx
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to x square. If I put -1 here, it will become -1 square, isn't it?
1.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
1. So for x is equal to 0, fx is equal to,
0.
let me just put a 0 here also in the set B. The 0 here, and the set B also you have starting from 0 to 10. Okay. So fx is equal to 0 square, which is 0. for x is equal to 1, fx is equal to 1 square, which is 1, right?
Yes, sir.
For x is equal to 2, fx is equal to 2 square, which is 4. For x is equal to 3, fx is equal to 3 square, which is 9, isn't it?
9.
These are what you're going to get.
Yes, sir.
So what should be this relation now? You know, all functions are relations, right? Therefore, what should be this set? F
Yes,
e
sir.
to b. What should be this relation? This should be first ordered pair with minus 1, 1.
Yes, sir.
Next ordered pair, 0, 0.
0, 0.
Next ordered pair, 1, 1,
1, 1,
2, 4,
2, 4, and 3,
and 3,
9.
9. This is the relation, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, what should be a range set? I have not defined range set for you. Range set. Range set means all these values. 1, 0, the second component. 1,
Yes, sir.
4, 9. So what is the range set here? 1, 0, 4, and 9. 1 is repeated here, so I won't write 1 again. So 1, 0, 4,
Okay,
9,
sir.
this is a range set. Now do you see that the range set is a subset of B,
Yes, sir.
right? So hence verified.
Yes, sir.
Now this
Oh,
is a very important example. If you want to understand functions, you will not find this example anywhere. Okay. If you want to understand functions, you better go through this example over and over again.
is that what needed to be proved? Range is the subset of B.
Yes, I showed you. Also show that range set is a subset of
Ah,
the codomain set.
ah. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now next question. This is a problem now. The problem is state the domain of each of the following functions. Very important question. Such questions come in your examinations. State the domain of these functions, of the following functions. The first function is f x to 5x. Okay. Next function is g x to 5x, where x belongs to z. What is z here? Can you tell me what is z here? In sets, I was doing what is z? What is z?
Integer.
Integers, the set of integers. Capital F is x to 5x, and x belongs to 0, 1, 2. Next f x to x by 5. 6 you have f. I will just do the first two and leave rest for tomorrow. X to 6
Okay,
by
sir.
x. Number 7 is h, capital H, x to x square plus 5x minus 6. Number 8, g x to x minus 4 by x minus 3 into x plus 6. Number 9, g x to x to 1 by x. Okay, where x belongs to the set of real numbers. Fine. So let me just do the first two. solution for the first one. Now here, whenever you come across this kind of a function, first you must identify the function. What the function is. So here, what is fx? Here, what is fx? This one.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Fx is equal to 5x. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The function of x is 5x. Now for 5x, now if fx is being mapped to 5x, that means you have an element x here and you have 5x here, right? What kind of set they can be? Real numbers, isn't it? All real numbers.
Yes, sir.
This is a real number, this is a real number, so this is acceptable for all real numbers. So that means what should be a domain? Domain must be equal to the set of real numbers. Look at the next one. You have gx to 5x, but this time x belongs to z. So what is fx here? Here fx is equal to 5x again, right? This one, right? And x belongs to
Yes.
z, right? Isn't it?
Yes,
So
sir.
what should be a domain? See that if you have, for if x is an integer, then 5x will also be an integer,
Yes, sir.
isn't it? So domain must be equal to the set z, right?
Yes, sir.
Let us do the third one also. Third one is an exception. The third one will teach you a lot of things also. Here, what is fx? Fx is equal to 2 by x minus 7, right? Now this relation,
Yes, sir.
now see this function here, 2 by x minus 7. You see when the denominator becomes 0, what should be the value of x for which the denominator becomes 0?
Denominator is 0, value of x
Yes,
undefined.
undefined. For what value of x? For denominator to be 0, x minus 7 must be equal to 0. That means
Yes,
x must
sir.
be equal to 7. That means
Yes, sir.
for x is equal to 7, fx is not defined.
Yes, sir.
Defined. That means when you're drawing the mapping like this, for this you have x here and you have 2 by x minus 7 here, right? Will this element 7
sir.
here, will it have an image here?
No, sir.
It will not have an image here, right? So that means all the
Yes,
elements of this set are not being mapped into this set. That means for x is equal to 7, fx is not a function. For x is
yes,
equal
sir.
to 7, fx ceases to be a function,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it? Therefore, what should be a domain? Therefore, from the domain, that is domain of real numbers, right? We only know real numbers, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
Real numbers. From the
Yes, sir.
domain, if you exclude this only number 7, then this will become a
All the real numbers except 7.
except 7. You the 7 it's creating a problem. Remove 7 from the domain. It will become a function.
Yes, sir.
That means your domain should be the set of all real numbers except this singleton set 7. Clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Only for this domain it will be a function. Let us do one more to understand this better. Okay, and then we can discuss this some other time. Let's say discuss number 6. I'll do number 4 later. Number 6 is also an interesting case. It will leave you something to ponder over. So here fx is equal to, if you see number 6, what is fx here? 6 by x. What is happening? Anyway, bad luck.